Soft boxes are great until you've tried to set one up on location. Trying to deal with the speed rings and the softbox material and the rods when you're out on location in front of a client, moving from spot to spot, it's a bit of a pain. Until we have these, our new foldable softboxes. Our foldable softboxes, as you can see, come in a really thick nylon pouch. Throw them over your shoulder and you're good to go. The best part is the setup time. Setup time is snap. Our foldable softboxes come in various shapes and sizes, so you can pick whatever you need depending on what you're shooting. All of them utilize a center locking column and an oversized button, which makes it really easy to get in and get a grip and open and collapse these softboxes. They all use a very lightweight, highly reflective silver material, similar to what our parabolic softboxes and umbrellas use, which gives you a lot of punch, which is very important when you're out on location and need to battle that really bright sunlight. Unlike a lot of inexpensive softboxes, our softboxes use steel rods, so they're going to bend and not break. They will flex, and that is very important when you're shooting outside. Maybe the wind catches your softbox and it takes a tumble. These things are not going to break as easy as a flimsy aluminum rod would. Like all of our traditional softboxes, all of our foldables come with inner and outer diffuser, as well as a honeycomb grid. If you have any questions on these, feel free to leave us a comment below. And if you would like to learn more about our line of foldable softboxes, as well as the rest of the products that Interfit carries, click the link in the description box.